This is Wade Pinoy. I will teach you today how to download Telegram on your PC or laptop. It was a request from Miss Evelyn Falconit. So first of all, you go to your internet browser. Then you go to your Google and you write download Telegram for Windows 10. Anyway, it's already in the memory. Okay. Then you can click on the first link, Telegram Messenger for free. Then you click on Telegram for Windows and laptop. Then you press here you click on the X here, please. Then you go down to the download Telegram PC and laptop. Okay, so again you go in the green. In green is writing download Telegram for PC and laptop. Click again on this link, and you can see it start download here. So you open, and then here we are setting the installation of the program. So it's asking you the language, so you can put in English. It's more simple, I think. Then click on next, next, again next, and install. Here is starting to install. And then you just have to click on finish. As you can see, the Telegram desktop is actually downloaded. So then you need to put your phone number and your login of Telegram. So it was a request from Miss Evelyn Falconit. If you need more tutorials, don't hesitate. I will try to help you as I can. And then you can comment in the comments below, and try to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.